Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cutting here. If you have stayed on track with what I thought you were going to get done each day, then today is Friday and the last day that I'm going to be gone. In this video, I'm going to go over Thursday's homework, the lesson 6 practice problems. Okay, number 1. A particular shade of orange paint has 2 cups of yellow paint for every 3 cups of red paint. On the double number line, circle the numbers of cups of yellow and red for 3 batches of orange paint. So 1 batch would be here, 2 batches would be here. This right here is 3 batches. So 6 cups of yellow and 9 cups of red. This double number line diagram shows the amount of flour and eggs needed for 1 batch of cookies. Complete the diagram to show the amount of flour and eggs needed for 2, 3, and 4 batches of cookies. Well, if it's 5 for 1 and 3 for 1, then this row is going to be going up by 5s, this is going to be going up by 3s, so this is going to be 10, 15, 20, 6, 9, and 12. What is the ratio of cups of flour to eggs? I always like to label so I don't get mixed up. So flour to eggs, flour is 5, eggs is 3, so 5 to 3. How much flour and how many eggs are used in 4 batches of cookies? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 batches would be 20 cups and 12 eggs. How much flour is used with 6 eggs? 6 eggs is 10 cups of flour. And how many eggs are used with 15 cups of flour? 15 cups of flour is 9 eggs. Here is a representation showing the amount of red and blue paint that make 2 batches of purple paint. On the double number line, label the tick marks to represent amounts of red and blue paint used to make batches of this shade of purple paint. So it's 3 cups of red and 2 cups of blue for 1 batch. So the double number line is over here. So it's 3 for red, 2 for blue. So this is going up by 3s, this is going up by 2s. How many batches are made with 12 cups of red paint? 12 cups of red paint is 1, 2, 3, 4 batches. How many batches are made with 6 cups of blue paint? 6 cups of blue paint is 1, 2, 3 batches. That is it for this video. See you next time.